Okay, I'm at the Bellwood Retirement Center, and this is a bid for some curb repairs and for painting of all the curbing as well. So I'm in the back section of the property right now, and I'm going to show you two things. I'm going to show you the repairs that need to be done that we're pricing out, but I'm also showing you a couple warranty items that we have to do while we're out here too. Okay, so it's all red painted curb in here. It's all pretty clean, but we'll still want to go through with like our little wire broom attachment and clean off the curbs. We don't need a power wash, but we will need to do that. We might even need to bring like a weed eater, or I can tell them to bring their facility guy here and he can actually weed eat it. So yeah, I'll tell the facility manager to do that. Okay, so one of the warranty items that we're doing is seal coating right here from this seam line and all the way down the drive aisle until you get down to the other end where the other seam is. So just this drive aisle and all the way over there to there is going to be a punch list item from a different contract. So just keep that in mind. Resealing all the way down there. We also have to do a little bit of crack fill. I'd probably say there's a couple 100 feet of crack fill that we need to do under warranty. Okay. Another warranty item is this 15 feet of curb. Actually, it's more than 15 feet of curb. It's 25 feet of curb. So from here all the way over to here, it has to be ripped out and redone. They wanted to get that curb fixed. We did it before and they didn't like how it turned out, so we got to redo it. Okay, I'm going to take you down here real quick and show you this end. Okay, so I was just showing you that curb under warranty and that seal coat that goes along the drive aisle. Do not do the parking stalls. Warranty of that drive aisle all the way down and down to this seam right there. Okay, just want to point that out real quick. But right here, this is part of the new bid, and that's to fix this piece of curb here. So we're gonna have to go from that joint and up to that joint. So you got 8 feet right here that needs to be fixed into that joint right there, which is another 5 feet. So we have 13 feet of curb to remove and replace, 6 by 8. Okay, I'm gonna take you back to the front and show you two other areas of curb to price. So just a quick follow up here. As far as the bid goes, it's red painted curb with 4-inch no parking fire lane stencils. And I'll give you the quantities on that in Workman's dashboard. Okay, you do not have to power wash. Okay, so that's the part of the base bid. The other thing is that little piece of curb down there. All right, and then this piece of curb that was here plus all that seal coat down there, that's warranty. All right, let's go to the front. I'm walking around towards the front of the building and down the middle here. I walked this with Aloys, but this is part of our warranty crack fill that we need to do because we had done this middle drive aisle all the way to the front. And there's some cracks that are still they're pretty exposed still, and it hasn't even been a year yet. Okay, so part of this bid is to do all that painted curb up in the front. You'll see it on the aerial map. It needs to be painted red. And then you've got this funky shaped color that's right here. All right, this curb right here was supposed to be like a gray color. So if we can do a gray that somewhat color matches the existing concrete curb color, then we need to do that piece right there. And again, I'm gonna give you the quantities on Workman's dashboard for the painted curb. Got all that paint over there on that curbing in the fire lane area. And then all this curbing that runs down along the sidewalk on that side, we have to paint that same gray color. Probably have to get 1 5-gallon bucket of paint. Try to make it a color that's gonna be as close as we can make it to the concrete color, and paint this curb. All right, so that's part of the base bid. The other part of the base bid is fixing this curb right here. It goes all the way up to this joint right here. I know it's cracked right there, but We're only going to that joint right there. So you got 10 feet right there. 6 by 8 inch curb that's up against the sidewalk. And we go to put it back, we need to angle the curbing to where it's closer to the height of the sidewalk. Right now it sits up a lot higher. So if we can, as we get maybe just past this joint, about 18 inches down, we'll bring it down more gradual and then cut it off down here. Cars are clipping this right here. All right, and then over here on the other side, remove and replace this curbing up to there, and that's 10 feet. Okay, actually it's 12 feet. 12 feet to there. Remove and replace. That does not have to be painted. So base bid work, you're looking at a curb crew coming in and fixing these different pieces of curb. And then you've got a striping crew that comes in and repaints all the fire lane plus all this gray up on the entrance as well as on that corner. And in this video I showed you the warranty work, and that is a little bit of crack filling down the drive aisle and the seal coating in the very back, and then that 25 feet of curb that was under warranty from a different contract. All those notes I'll put in. Thanks.